day 3.
Hey guys, Shane here, and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so we are on what, day 3?
Day 3 of the trip.
Day 3 of the trip. We have already dropped off one load. We picked up another going into Vegas, but we're going to stop at New Mexico. And we're, what, 10 miles now?
10 miles to the New Mexico border.
About 10 miles from the New Mexico border, and we'll be coming up to our arch soon. So, yeah, we're going to stay at a hotel in New Mexico. What part of New Mexico would it be?
Acoma Pablo.
Pablo? Acoma Pablo. And that'll be what we're going to be doing for this part of the trip. Then we'll be going into Vegas and dropping off a load, and I'll do another video for that too. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the high desert. It's mostly grass, but as you go out further, it's supposed to fade out. And it's got a bunch of bushes. They got plateaus on the other side, but I couldn't get a good view on them. But plateaus are, they're giant hills basically, in weird shapes. And from here it looks like they're not that big, but when you get close to them, they're like, what, maybe 160 feet? Higher than that? Probably 1,000 feet higher than that. But we'll be reaching New Mexico border pretty soon. Let's go. There's New Mexico, everybody. There's the arch. That's the arch right there. That yellow sign. See if I can get it on the camera. Hopefully y'all can see it. It says, "Welcome to New Mexico, land of enchantment." Welcome to New Mexico, everybody. Isn't that the Welcome Center right there? Look at all them trucks. I think ours is better, don't you think? Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!